you're playing Geometry Dash, let's play NCS Dedication. I don't know where I speeded through that. Sorry. Let's play NCS Dedication by Electric J. So, creating an NCS Dedication. I have both of the songs right now. Let's just play it. I made some progress, at 35% now. Dun, 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 dun. I don't know why this level is so good actually. Let's look at the back. I'm flabbergasted how the humanity evolved so much. Why is my voice so low? Na, 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 na. No. I'm gonna have to turn my camera because I don't know why. It changes the specific thing of your camera. So I'm gonna have to rotate it, guys. Get ready. Let me rotate. I rotated it. Okay, rotate back. No. What are these arrows? Why is there arrows? What if I just... I get until... I get that. Yeah. And we're also gonna play more NCS levels. Oh my god. More NCS levels. Hi, object count. Living with Regret by Roy Knox. What? What? I'm at 40 FPS right now. What? This is the coolest level I've ever seen. What? What is happening? I'm just... It's so simple but cool. That's too scary. Wow. It changes design every hour. Colors, what's the data? Yeah. That's a large saw, actually. What? Oh, stop. It's like Roxy Cat design. You know, I spy with my eye. It's very Roxy Cat. That was a short chipset. I'm not sure. Where am I? I found a secret route. I literally found a secret route. What is this route supposed to be? Okay, let me do it like this. Here. Reboot. It's rebooting. You can see that grass. Avoid that one. This is so cool. Oh, there's like bugs where you can hold them and dash right and it doesn't affect. But like little pads. Oh my god, this is so cool. That's really cool. NCS, really? NCS songs. I need to download. Oh, Sky High is here? No way. Here it is. You know this? Like, wait, let me go one of those like lobotomy videos. Yeah. Should I play the NCS Scotland?
Ay, tama mag-live.
Where's the NCS?
LB.
Oh, there.
Facebook.
No, it's the Boston one.
Lens ka Facebook, diba?
I mean,
Ikuya Lawrence na doon po itong bunsuda. Close na close na. Hila mo nga doon mag-message
let's
namin.
go!
Tapos nga nihila mo doon
Let's
na.
play! LDM enable
Ilang
tap.
magalalay itang amwat. Ito may itong.
Hindi tayo strong na masyado din.
Ano?
Wow. Slash
Hanggang
by
naman ng
Tokyo
mga
Machine.
na naman din may bigyan pamilyaro na nakatubuhay.
Abandon hope. Oh yeah.
Pero at least,
There's there's sound effects.
Ano mag-live niya kagulo? At least bayo mo yung wala may kapag yung back lang eh.
Oh,
Awa, ayan nga kalumaniwala na bininta itong tama raw. Tapos sinali lang kaya, diba? Bios.
ding dong, ding dong. This is the oh gosh. What was that pause? Ang ingay niyan. Tapos kapag ikaw, sinusundan kita. Ang ingay yan. Tulong mo naman.
Mete, yun na din, mete.
Kailangan ko i-blast yung music. Okay. Ang babaan ko. Hello guys, for today's vlog. Oh my god. Oh. That's an object. It is an object. There's a okay. Ding, ding. Let's oh. Okay. Swag road. Oh my god! I'm clicking the blue orb. Oh, it's so bad. The swing can go through this gap. I just did that earlier. I just did it again. Yeah, like
Padi eh.
Why is it spinning? Why's my phone spinning? Abducted. We're just gonna play Shiver because I don't know what else to play. I didn't find any more levels. Let's play Shiver. Ship.
Golden Haven. Wala pa ako mga kutsito. Parang magsalita ka. Wala? Tapos mo magsalita ka.
Yeah. Let's go.
Para niya ko live.
Hindi kasi nakain kasi yung pag-ibig ako na. Nakakbo yung. May salita lang.
Oh, wait. I'm gonna just. Yeah.
Pero kasi yung public servant
And for this last bit of this video, I'm gonna make Club Step Monster.
Kung ano pa kasing video na yun, sa'yo mo mag-direct.
Wait. You might know GUGG, right? Wait, let me. There you go. This is what I'm gonna do. Okay, I have the Ali mod. Make file this orange. Is it like this? Or am I just wrong? Like this orange? I'd say this. Okay, let's go for that. Why is it not changing color? Oh. FF8900. FF89.
Salamat. Ano yung nagpa-plans kapag mo? Kasi siyempre ka nagtao ka lang.
Yeah. First, let's add the layout though. Pagkita? So make it
Takbo niya ako.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Make this target group ID 1. Make it move 25 blocks. Make it bouncing out. Accurate boxes. What am I doing? GeoGD. That's supposed to be Geo.
Yan itong ikay, Lori. Ako at papi.
Bagong babago.
Ay, nasawa ng kahit Jolly Violeta.
What? Someone's calling me.
Magkons.
Kana ako. Ali ka na. Hello ba? What's... It's me.
Gagaga ka, gagaga.
Alin na ang paggaga ko? Ito nga, nakagaga.
Gusto mo gagaga?
Wala mo, ramdam mo talaga yung sakit. Kung ang ganito, nakapagaga.
Is it possible without zero?
Ating kayong tinapit. Alaman na.
Should we go to his YouTube channel? Let's go to his YouTube channel. Let's go, let's go. It's my first time using YouTube while recording. So,
Nandyan pa na kami.
GeoGD.
Nakaroon niya ko yung pagbuto.
Ah, he has this.
Isang papaya.
Okay. Quantum processing. Okay. That's my first time recording YouTube. Recording YouTube? You can download all songs from the levels select page. Accurate boxes. Let's just make this. Oh yeah, it's future.
Nagkabi ako
Wala
yung
pang
lang.
tao.
Yan, may nagkabi ako yung lang ito. Natitiyan naman. Diba niya?
Tanggap na naman na rin pamilya, no? Yung sabi ka naman masakit, pero siyempre kailangan mo tanggap na.
Tsaka nasa tanggap pa ito talaga. Kasi niya hindi mo magkasakit. Kasi pag masay ng mga nito,
Ang pagtrapanda na talagang ulo na nagalaw sa bata niya, magkasakit, takpan niya yung ulo na.
wait ang ante, di ba? Nagpa-joke-joke mo pa. Nabitawan mo, kahit hindi kaya. Nagbilang ito. Diba niya?
Finishing
Nag-draw niya ako
details.
dito.
This. What is that?
Hindi naman nakakadi na singap-singap. Yeah? Mas masakit ito eh.
What?
Searching pa ko. Right. Pag na lang siguro naman. Sabi ko sa tagal mo kasi no? Tata? Mami pico siyo niya. Sa tagal ka talamesa. Galawin niya. Ayaw ko na pinenjo nga ako. Manti na naman tinapin. I will be free. Even the darkness
Side of love. Natatired na ako.
and have no fear.
Then you see it says T4.
Element red. Ibang design. Yung design na tawag ng tao ng guy. Meten. Siyempre, na to kami ng anak ko. Siyempre, di na.
What is that?
Buti may ball rin mo.
It's like this luminous orange. Ang dami nagkukulsan. True, true, true. Take it out. T3, 1, 1. Accurate boxes. boxes.
Baka na dumalan nun. Kaya mapunta ka ng office yung papakala.
Let's see this. Should I add the glow too? It'd be fun if I add the glow.
Kami ako po ito sa kulang ba? Kunti na.
Mm, mm. Tango another.
Yung ba? Minuli niya. Ang polo na rin ang oras. Elaine. Pwede natin sa ng darang Alvin eh. Kasi pupulay tayo. Aliyan.
Palagi na lang. Call.
Ito sa cellphone na kinuha ni Kuya Loren. So sabi ko na ako ni Case, ang graduation picture ng Kuya Loren sa yung buhay. Paborito niya yung paramin. Magchatruya. Just what my mama said.
Okay, that's all for today.